Hi there, my name is Jackie Wetzler, and I am a millennial leader with the company ASEA. In part one of my video, Benefits of ASEA, I showed you what ASEA does at the genetic level of turning genetic pathways back on. This is more of just an overview video. So when you break the word apart, redox, it stands for reductants and oxidants, RED of reductants and OX of oxidants. So what reductants do, they are what turn on and activate our antioxidants. They are like the light switch of turning them on and making them work. And so we have research on how ASEA, by supplementing the body with more redox signaling molecules, is able to activate and make more efficient glutathione, your master antioxidant, by 800%. That is huge. And SOD and Catalase, your other two major antioxidants, by 500%. So it's really good in detoxifying the body. Oxidants are what allow our cells to communicate or signal with each other. So they're allowing your heart to beat without you thinking about it, your lungs to breathe, your blood to pump, and everything working in your body. So that's what oxidants do. And their biggest job is to go and find damaged cells anywhere in the body, signal the immune system to let the immune system know where to go to find those damaged cells, so your immune system can start repairing those damaged cells, or if they're too badly damaged, replace them with healthy new cells. That way, when they're constantly finding damaged cells, then your ability to heal is that much better, because your body is meant to stay healthy. And so when this is all happening, these molecules are crucial in balancing and regulating every system in the body. So I hope this was helpful. And this is the breakdown of what redox signaling molecules, otherwise known as ASEA, does with the body. Thank you so much for listening. And if you found this valuable, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to learn and continue to keep to date of my videos. Thank you so much.